Hello everyone, and in this video we're looking at a 9-mark exam question on coordinate geometry. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So it says the points A, which is 7 minus 3, B 720, and C, which is PQ, form the vertices of a triangle ABC as shown in figure 4. The point D, which has coordinates 10, 5, is the midpoint of AC. Find the values of P and Q, part A, for 2 marks. Now, the midpoint formula, as you might remember, is that the midpoint is equal to x1 add x2 over 2, and then we have y1 add y2 over 2, like that. So let's use that piece of information to find out the midpoint. So we'll deal with the x coordinate first. We have that 7 add p divided by 2 is equal to 10. So therefore 7 add p is equal to 20. So therefore p is equal to 13. We'll do the same now with the y coordinate. And with the y coordinate, we have that minus 3 add q divided by 2 is equal to 5. So therefore we have going to times that by 2. So minus 3 add q is equal to 10. So therefore q is equal to 13. So we found our P and Q. What is the answer to part A? Now, part B, it says the line L passes through D and is perpendicular to AC. So we can see that there's our line AC, and this line passing through here is perpendicular. Find the equation for the line L. This is the line L here, in the form AX add BY add C, where A, B, C are integers. So the first thing we need to do is find the gradient of the line AC. So I'll write down M for gradient. I'm going to find the gradient of AC, which is going to be change in Y over change in X. Okay, so let's do it let's go from the midpoint to A. That is going to be 5 minus 3 over 10 minus 7, which is 8 over 3. So that's our gradient of the line AC. The line L is perpendicular, so therefore the gradient of that line is going to be negative the reciprocal. Okay, so that is going to be minus 3 over 8. So that's our gradient of the line L. So we could call it the gradient of L. We have a point on the line, which is 10, 5, so we can sub in y minus y into y minus y1 in order to find the equation of the line. So we have now y minus y1, and y1 in this case is 5, is equal to our gradient, which is minus 3 over 8, times by x minus 10. Okay, that's fine. So we times everything now by 8, so we have 8y minus 40 is equal to minus 3x plus 30. And then finally, we can just get all of that over to one side, and that gives us 3x add 8y. I've dealt with those, and it's going to be plus, let's have a look, going to be 3x plus 8y, and that is going to be is equal to 70. Yeah, when we get that whole thing over the side, because notice that in the question it's asking it from the form ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so I was hesitant there because I was thinking about which side to get it on, but we've got to get it in this format. So that's our answer there. There it is, done for part B for 5 marks. And then part C, it says given that the line L intersects AB at E, okay, so in other words, up here, this is the point E, given that the line L intersects, oh no, here it is. So this is the point E here. So let's just call that E. Oops, drawing letter E there. Okay, so that's the point E there. Find the exact coordinates of E. Well, we've now got our equation of our line L. And what do we notice about this line E? Well, we notice that the equation of the line E is x is equal to 7, because we have a 7 coordinate, an x coordinate of 7 here, and an x coordinate of 7 here. So that's our equation, x is equal to 7. So we're going to sub that into the equation of our line, which was 3x plus 8y is equal to 70. So we're going to sub in that. So we have 3 times by 7 plus 8y equals 70. So 8y is equal to 70 minus 21. And then we're going to divide that by 8. So therefore y is equal to 49 divided by 8. And so we have found now the coordinates of the point E. The coordinates of the point E are 7 and 49/8. And I hope that you found that video useful, and I will see you in the next video.